What's up guys, in this video I'll be comparing the top features of the Doogee V30 Pro with the Doogee V31 GT. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's find out the differences and similarities between these two rugged beasts. So both devices have unique designs. I prefer the design of the Doogee V31 GT. It just stands out, although the V31 GT looks a lot like the Doogee S110, but the design is still very nice. Both devices have the same 6.58-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz IPS LCD wall-drop notch display. Both devices also run on the Android 13 operating system, and it's the stock version or the vanilla version of Android. Both devices also pack a 10,800 mAh battery, but the charging speed of both devices are different. So the Doogee V30 Pro supports 33 watts fast charging, while the V31 GT supports 66 watts fast charging. So the V30 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 7050, while the V31 GT is powered by the Dimensity 1080. In case you guys do not know, both processors are very identical. They're basically the same processors but with different name. They have the same configuration. Everything about these processors are the same. In terms of memory, the V30 Pro utilizes 12GB RAM and it packs a 512GB internal storage, while the V31 GT utilizes 12GB RAM as well, but its internal storage is 256GB. So yes, the V30 Pro has a much more bigger internal storage than the V31 GT. In the camera department, both devices features a triple rear camera setup. But let's talk about the camera setup of the V30 Pro first. So the main camera of the V30 Pro is a 200MP camera. I currently do not know if it's the HP1, the HP2 or the Samsung HP3, but it's gonna be one of these three sensors. Paired with the 200MP camera is a 24MP night vision camera and a 16MP wide angle lens that can also function as a macro lens, while the front facing camera of the device is 32MP. The V31 GT has a 50MP primary sensor. It's the Sony IMX766 sensor paired with a 24MP night vision camera and an 8MP fusion camera. And also the V31 GT supports thermal imaging. The V30 Pro doesn't support thermal imaging. The front facing camera of the V31 GT is 32MP as well. So other features of both devices are pretty much the same. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K. They are also military grade standard H10H certified. They support NFC, OTG, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS. They have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and they support face unlock as well. So these are the top features of both devices. Which of the two devices do you think pack the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.